You're gonna love the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a family-minded Tiguan that delivers safety and practicality wrapped in understated style. From its driver assist safety features to its impressive fuel efficiency and available third-row seating, this convenient crossover has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, power liftgate, satellite radio, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, dual zone AC. Feel secure and poised in this thoughtfully appointed Tiguan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.